Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can see the old stories on Instagram. So if you want to see like people's old stories on Instagram, you want to just go to Instagram and search for the person that you want to see their old stories. For example, Cristiano. Yeah, this is Cristiano. Cristiano doesn't have old stories. I don't know why. All right. Yeah, this one has old stories. Now, let's say that you want to see an old story. You want to just click on these stories. As you can see, you're going to swipe to the right, and then you can see all the old stories that this person has posted on their Instagram account. You can check any story you want. For example, you can see their story like this. Like you can see a lot of things here. You can share it with anyone you want. Like you can click on the stories here. These are old stories, as you can see. 42 week. This post was posted 42 weeks ago. This one to 21 week ago. And as you can see, that's exactly how you can see the stories, the old stories on on Instagram. You can just click on any of these, and then you can check the old stories, as you can see. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, like I said guys, all you have to do guys is to click on the highlights stories, and then you can see all the old stories here. So if this video guys helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. So please guys, drop a like on this video and leave a comment. I reply to every single comment.